Welcome. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by constant notifications on Instagram, especially those reminding you to add your photo to a post, you're not alone. Today, I'll walk you through the quick and easy steps to disable these notifications directly from your PC using Instagram's latest update. Let's get started. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Instagram website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, take a look at the menu on the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see several icons. Click on the one that looks like your profile picture. This will take you to your profile page. Now that you're on your profile, look for the notifications option in the menu. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a page where you can manage all your notification settings. Here, you'll see a section called Push Notifications. Click to enter this section. Inside the Push Notifications settings, scroll down until you find the option labeled Added to Post. This is the notification that pops up whenever someone adds your photo to a post or tags you. To turn these notifications off, simply select the Off option. That's it. You've successfully disabled those pesky reminders. With this quick adjustment, you'll no longer receive notifications every time someone adds your photo to a post. This can help you keep your notifications clean and focused on what matters most to you. Remember, you can always come back and turn these notifications back on if you change your mind later. Instagram's notification settings are designed to be flexible, so you're always in control of your experience. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making the most out of your social media experience. See you in the next video.